You might be surprised by the answer, but the truth is, TradingView itself is not a broker. You can't directly deposit money and trade forex with them. However, it's one of the most powerful charting platforms in the world, and it's designed to connect with real trading brokers. So, does it allow forex trading? Absolutely. The platform has a trading panel feature where you can link your brokerage account. Think of TradingView as your command center for analysis, and your broker as the engine that executes the trades. You get the best of both worlds, TradingView's incredible charts, indicators, and tools, combined with your broker's execution and account management. This means you can do all your technical analysis right on TradingView, from identifying support and resistance to using complex indicators. Then, when you're ready, you can place your buy and sell orders directly from the chart, all while being logged into your live trading account. There are many popular forex brokers that have partnered with TradingView, including Pepperstone, OANDA, and 8cap, just to name a few. Many of them even offer paper trading on TradingView, so you can practice your strategies risk-free before you ever use real money. So, while TradingView is not a trading platform in the traditional sense, it is an essential part of the modern forex trader's toolkit. It's the hub where you analyze, plan, and execute your trades, all thanks to its seamless integration with dozens of top-tier brokers.